Welcome back, Ken folks. It's going to be a short one this week. Only got 10 minutes and 40 seconds left on this SD card. Well, all that being said, mud hole's kind of dried up. Need to get number 29 snaked out of there. Way back up in there. But all that being said, got this tree top in the way, need to get it cleaned up. Y'all don't need to see that again. It's just pulling out a log. Got it wrapped around that tree because I'm going that way. All that being said, guess I can show y'all some studs. And I need to go over there and mow around those logs. Try to keep the moisture down. Need a freaking weed eater, but it burned up last year. China, you know what I'm talking about? They last just long enough. Let me get this cleaned up and get it drug out. Oh yeah, I'll show y'all debarked and delivered. And I need to trim a bunch of shit in the chicken coop back over there because it's done grown up on me. Y'all stand up. There we go, Ken folks. Got that top cut up and cleared the way again. I don't think I'm going to burn this. Just let it biodegrade and fill in this hole right here. All that being said, I need to get that log drug out. Y'all done seen that 1,000 times. I ain't going to show it to you again. I'll cut y'all back on when I'm getting it delivered over there. Alright, Ken folks. Number 29. How about now? We got a cabin yet? Nope. Oh well, look at this. This is why you can't leave them on the ground too long. Dang thing had bugs in it. Oh well. All that being said, I need to get over here and mow the grass. I guess I could cut all this grass under the logs with a pair of scissors or something. I don't know. I have to figure something out. I think that's what's making it moldy. Is all the grass growing in between it. Alright. We'll get over here tomorrow and mow this grass and get some scissors. Or a machete or something. Damn weed eater. Man, they need a weed eater, man. Everybody know that. You know, down there with damn scissors. Shit. What you gonna do with that? Look at this here, Ken folks. Yeah, I did it again. Rode this old POS down the dang busy highway. Seems like they speed it up just to blow by you even faster. Don't make no sense to me. Well, all that being said, I'm not gonna mow the whole field. Just gonna mow where the log's at in the cabin spot. Pretty much half of it. Leave the rest as habitat. Well, all that being said, POS, old paid off stuffs, is what that stands for. She may be regular, but I ain't got no note on her. You know what I mean? Let me get this mowed, y'all didn't. Y'all see the aftermath. Y'all don't see somebody mow. There we go again, folks. Y'all a little dusty. Like I said, just mow around that, and there's some blackberries over there. Just enough. Hell, that thing's a gas hog with that V-twin on there. Probably take 5 gallons to mow all this. All that being said, ain't got no weed eater, but I got this Gladius machete with a good edge on it anyway. I done tried it a little bit. Just kind of take it and rake it across the ground. Y'all think I'm playing? Let me show you a little bit. Here's a good spot right here. I can show y'all. You don't get the idea. Dang on machete weed whacker. Alright. Here we go again, folks. After some machete bushwhacking. Or weed eating, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, about all you're going to get out of me today. Got me over here like a dumbass whacking with a machete like it's a weed whacker. Well, all that being said, tomorrow we're going to get that chicken pen cleared out so you at least see what's going on in there. Alright, Kim folks, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Dang. Got the gardenias blooming. Look at this here, Kim folks. It's another moist day. You wait around for the weather to get good, you ain't gonna get nothing done. Well, all that being said, I can't see anything back here in the chicken enclosure. And I need to be able to see in case I need to shoot a predator or dispatch something. You never know, everything likes chicken. All that being said, I'm going to take this pruner right here and trim all them limbs up so I can see back there. There we go again, folks. That's what that looks like. I was gonna finish the video up last night, but it started pouring and raining out here. Just did the old chop and drop. Now you can actually see to the rabbit hutch. Well, chicken hutch now. Got Eustace Conway, the rooster, over there. He was too worried about breeding and not worried about eating. Now he's over there scrawny and shriveled up. Oh well, I guess we all get like that sometimes. Get these chickens some bread. Good job, girls. Yeah, now if any predators want to come in here, I can take care of them. Go, Eustace. I think he'll be alright. He just needs to get fattened up before I let him back out here with these hens. Damn escape artists. Look at them. All that being said, yep, junks. Come on, girl. Well, yeah, now I got this dilemma because I came to give him some bread. If it ain't one thing, it's another. Hey, what are y'all doing out? Let's get back in. Get back in there. Get back in there. Get back in there. Good girls. Here we are, Ken folks, back over here. I got my stain, sealer, whatever you want to call it, Ken folks, in a homemade crawfish trap. I'm gonna throw it over here. Just some dog food in there, in an onion bag. You know what I'm talking about? Anyways, throw it in that pond and see what kind of, see if we got fish or crawfish or whatever. If it's lucrative, we'll make a couple more of these traps. All that being said, and I'm gonna seal those logs back there and then seal all the ends. That's why I was weed whacking with a machete. I'll let y'all know the end result. Here we go, Kim folks. There's a trap over there. Just pulled it up. There was 4 in there, but 3 of them fell out. Or, yeah, one of them fell out because it was too small. That one's pretty small in there. Ain't bad for 30 minutes. They want out. I'll let y'all know if I catch any more. So far, 2 more little ones, but they fell out of the trap when I picked it up. Look at this here. Something's been eating crawfish over here. Coon or a fox or something. And there's deer tracks right here. That's why I didn't want to cut this back part over here, because the deer have been walking through here getting drinks of water for years. Maybe I can get me a deer off the front porch. That'd be nice. I'll even put out a nice salt block for them. That's what that looks like. That's what I've been working on while I got the little trap out. And there's Mr. Rock. Just got him a hole dug already. Stuss. Well, they seem to be happier. They got more room to move around back there. Now I can see if there's a damn dog trying to get in here, and that's usually #1 predator is your neighbor's dog or your dog, depending on how well trained they are. All that being said, it's about all you're gonna get out of me this week. Till next time, kinfolks, LT out.